Hello everyone and welcome back to this another new videos, and in this videos we'll learn how to use this three powerful logical functions in Excel, which is and or not functions. And these functions actually help us create a smart formulas that return results and based on the conditions. So whether you are building reports or dashboards and mastering these functions actually is this a must. So I will discuss about all of these items. So let's get started. So at first I will show you a simple data sets. Let's say this is the section for name, and after that I will add some students score, and the score is choose. And if I add some names, let's say Alice, Bob, and Charles and David, and now I will add some scores, let's say 75 to 65. So inputting some values, and you can use your own real data sets that will actually help you for your better understanding, because when you can relate your output very clearly, you can relate the data sets. So now I will press Ctrl T to make this into a table. So this is our simple data set. Now if you want to identify the students who passed both the subjects or not, and if I want to find out the students who passed at least one, or like flag any students who did not pass any, like if I add the passing mark, let's say is so pass farm mark is the, let's say, 70. And now at first I will add this, and then I will use this end functions, and here I will the end functions I will call the end. Then I will go to this functions argument. So as you can see, like it detect whether all arguments are true. If it returns true, if all arguments are true. So here we have to address the conditions, like let's say this mark is greater than or equal, let's say 70s, and after that for the logic 2, this marks is like greater than equal to 70, and if these are the true, these are the trues, and then I click OK. This is true means like the both conditions actually fulfill. That means the students which is who is actually allies actually is passed to both, allies actually passed the both subject. And as you can see, this forces means they actually did not pass the both subject. As you can see, when I see the number, this is the less than 70s, and this section, this is also less than 70s. So how we can see in this type of formations, and we can use the OR formulas. Like if I use the OR formulas, now I go to this the function arguments. Then I check the whether and any of the arguments are trues. It returns true or false, return false, and if only if all the arguments are actually false. So I will do the sum for this score is greater than equal 70s, greater than equal 70s, and after that I will select the logical twos. Score is greater than equal 70, and now if I click OK, it's true, and I drag this, then all that actually true. So our functions actually returns values either, like if any score is greater than 70, it actually returns the truth. That means this all the items are true. That means we can predict that, or we can say all the events at least pass only one subjects. And after that I'm going to use the not functions. So here I will call the not functions, and then I will go to the functions arguments, and it actually changes the false to true or true false. So but here is I'm going to use different formations. We are going to use not functions, and inside we are going to use the oral functions actually, and then I'm going to use the conditions, which is this is score is greater than equal 70, and after that this score is greater than equal 70. And now I will close the conditions. So it's false. That means like we can use the not functions. Here under the not functions, we actually use this, and we use the or functions. And this returns to only if neither score is 70 or more actually. So like it actually failed all. As you can see, like neither is actually is called 70 or more. So like logical functions like and or not, and the backbone of decision making in Excel. So use them with, you can use them with the functions to create dynamic reports and condition logic on this dashboard. So I hope you understand. This was almost all for this today, and the next video I'll discuss about some other exciting things. Okay.